You can be anything you want. You can achieve it if you just believe. Take you to a place you can be your true self. Live your passion. Live your passion, yeah.
Marine engineers are professionals responsible for the maintenance and repair of mechanical and engineering equipment and systems on board a ship, underwater craft, offshore platforms, as well as drilling equipment. As a marine engineer, one is typically expected to carry out tests to identify faults, repair electronics, hydraulic and mechanical equipment, as well as providing engineering support on board a vessel. Any occupation in maritime requires a lot of skill to ensure the safety of everyone on board. To become a marine engineering technician, you would need to enjoy practical activities, have a good problem-solving ability, and a thorough understanding of marine engineering. It is also important to have good communication skills, an understanding of safety procedures and regulations, as well as good teamwork skills. Training is offered at registered training institutions as well as through apprenticeships. Both cover an intensive focus on safety and precautionary measures due to the nature of work in maintaining, repairing, and overhauling ships and other vessels. Many marine engineering technicians need a driver's license or reliable transportation, since their work is done on vessels or watercrafts. Marine engineers may spend time aboard a ship testing how the vessel is performing, gathering information for maintenance or for an upcoming retrofit. Marine engineers who specialize in offshore drilling often spend time on the oil rig to oversee maintenance or repair efforts involving the rig's mechanical systems. The boom in the cruising industry has increased the need for marine engineers to maintain engines and equipment on these ships. As a greater volume of international cargo comes in and out of ports, more marine engineers will also be needed to help run these vessels. Opportunities may also exist to work on offshore drilling platforms. You too can live your passion and qualify as a marine engineer. If you are self-motivated, inquisitive, willing to learn on your own, and have a deep interest in maritime, you are a good candidate. This insert is brought to you by the Namibia Training Authority. Visit our website at www.nta.com.na to learn about other technical and vocational career options.